Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you I'm going to give you the answers of MCQs of the paper 2021, 2022, 2023 of solid state and physics of 5th semester Dibrugarh University. And after this video I'm going to come up with 2 or more videos where I'm going to discuss about the important topics and I'm going to give their answers. And in another video I'm going to show you how to solve some numerical problems and other questions related to lattice. Okay, because I have not enough time, and that's why I can't give you each and every answers. So I'm going to discuss only the important questions and their answers and some numericals, so then you can score a good marks, okay, in the exam. So let's start. Before we start, please do subscribe the channel. sorry for the voice quality. So as I'm suffering from a fever and cough, so voice quality may not be good enough. Okay, so before we start, please subscribe the channel, hit the thumbs up button, also share with your friends, inspire me to create new contents for you. So let's start. So let's start from 2021 paper, solid state. So here every reciprocal lattice is here. Option 2 is the correct option, normal to lattice plane. So these are the 2 options and these are the 2 options, total 4 options of this question. So correct answer is option number 2. Okay, so now let's move on to next question. Here you see B, according to Dulong-Petit's law, molar specific heat capacity of solid at temperature T. So here the answer is 3R. Correct answer is this option 2. That should be option 2. That is 3R, right? So now you see our next question. C, which of the following materials doesn't have the permanent magnetic dipoles? Here you see that's gonna be diamagnetic, because here magnetic dipole moment is 0 here in this case. Okay, so correct option is 3 here. And next question, the temperature dependence of polarizability is observed in case of, so that should be orientation polarization. The option 2 is correct answer, right? And next one, E, the slope of logarithm of conductivity Ln sigma versus 1 by T plot is measure of, that should be band gap. Okay, so option 3 is the correct answer. So now let's move on to paper 2022. This is the 2022 paper, solid state and physics. First question here, the effective number of atoms in the structure is that should be 6 here. Hexagonal close packed structure, that should be 6. So in another video I'm going to show you how to calculate the effective number of atoms in unit cell. Okay, so now let's move on to next question. So 4 solid, optical and acoustic branches coincide. Here you say this option is correct. Let me give you the option directly. That is small m equal to capital M, right? Small m equal to capital M. And for C, this question number 1C, the correct answer here, this is number option 4. This is the correct answer. And question D, in dipolar dielectric, in absence of electric field, dipoles are randomly oriented. So here is the correct answer. And the temperature coefficient of resistance of a pure semiconductor, that should be negative. Okay, that should be negative. Okay, so now let's move on to the paper 2023. So here is the paper 2023 solid state physics. So first question is, so here if 0.28 nanometer is the interatomic distance is in NaCl, so then what is the lattice parameter? How to find the lattice parameter? Calculate the lattice parameter. You just need to multiply 2 with the interatomic distance, that is 0.28 nm. If you multiply it, then you're gonna get 0.56 nanometer. That is the answer. Okay, so let's move on to next question. So Miller indices of a plane parallel to YZ. So when a plane is parallel to YZ axis, that means it intersects at X, right? It intersects at X. Then we used to assume that this plane is intersecting Y and Z at infinity. Okay, so now you see, when a plane intersect x-axis at suppose A and parallel to Y and Z, then they must be intersecting at infinity. We can assume that. So then the plane is A comma infinity infinity. So right, it intersects at A, intersects X at A and Y at infinity, Z at infinity. Then Miller indexes should be reciprocal of this, that is 1 by A. So 1 by alpha, then 1 by infinity, that's going to be 0 0, right? 1 by A, that means this should be the Miller index. Now you see here, which one is the possible correct answer? That should be the possible correct answer, because here you can see we are getting Y and Z here 1 comma 0 0, Y and Z 0 0, that means Y and Z intersects are at infinity, and X intersects is intersection with X axis is at 1, so reciprocal of 1 is 1, so that's why, so correct answer is 1. So hope you have understood this. So at lower temperature, the lattice specific heat varies as, that should be T to the power 3. Okay, option 1 is the correct option. Okay, T to the power 3. Now you see, for a given dielectric, the temperature, I am talking about this, this should be decreases. Okay, ionic polarizability, that should be decreases. Okay, and E, ferromagnetic materials or phrases are oriented from obtained from actually not copper, not zinc, not aluminum, those are from so 1 2 3 all are false here, none of the above, because ferromagnetic materials are obtained from iron oxide with some other metals like cobalt and manganese, I think. Okay, then okay, but not these three. Okay, so option 4 is correct, none of the above. And number F, superconducting material on being subjected to critical field change 2. So that should be normal state. Okay, option 3 is correct. Okay, so hope you have understood this. So stay connected, and tonight or tomorrow morning, I don't know, I'm not sure. Let's see what I can do. Okay, I will try to discuss all the important topics of this paper, because I can't solve each and every question because we have not enough time. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.